In this video, I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows. First, open your web browser and go to the official Visual Studio Code website at code.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Download for Windows button. The installer will begin downloading automatically. After the download is complete, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. Next, accept the license agreement and click Next. Leave the default installation location as it is, then click Next again. On the Select Additional Tasks page, make sure Add to Path is checked. You can also check Create a Desktop icon, add Open with Code to the File context menu, and add Open with Code to the Directory context menu if you want quick access from File Explorer. Once you've selected the options, click Next. Now click Install and wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, leave Launch Visual Studio Code checked and click Finish. Visual Studio Code will now open, and the installation is complete. You can start creating or opening projects right away. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.